Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to turn this bandana into the handbag. It's very easy. From one of the senior give it to me and asked me to do that for her. Would I don't mind doing that. So her bandana size is 20 inches long and it's square piece just like that. You almost can get that everywhere. You fold a triangle. I'm on the floor by the way because it's big. And also I just want to show everything I do, so and then I fold it again. I just want to say thank you for the people who always give me feedback on my video, my speaker. Sometimes I use the speaker and then I don't realize, and after I edit the video I just upload. So I need to pay more attention. I need to take a few minutes to watch my video, listen carefully, and then I upload. But thank you for all that people support me and give me feedback. So right on the top right, I'm gonna mark 6 inches, and also on the left side you're gonna mark 6 inches the same. That way you can connect the line from side to side. You just connect the line, and that line is for you to sew this together. Okay, this one she just give me this and then nothing else. So sew that line, everyone. After I sew the line, I'm gonna open this and bring that to the center. I just want the line to touch the middle and then flap the thing out. Too funny, I was looking for something and I'm keep looking, but then I look over it where I was earlier and I saw it there, and I told my kid, I'm like, I can't believe it, I left it there and I don't remember. And they say it's okay mama, we understand you have the OLDDC. I'm like, what the heck, why what DC is that? And now like they're cracking up laughing, and then after that I realized in OLD. I folded two pointy to the center about an inch away, and I sew the center line and flap into the other side that I already make the strap. I sew the strap. I cut the different fabric of 4 inches by 30 inches, and so I fold it in half, fold in half again, just the same way I sew the strap, everyone. And then I clip right on one side in the back side when I just flip it over right on the side like that, so I can sew it in. And you also sew on this side too, so very close to the fold. You don't need to sew too far. I like 1/8 of an inch, just straight line. From that line go all the way to here. So after I sew on the side with the strap and then the other side too, for both sides, now you're going to fold the two together from the center like that. Make sure everything line up. So everything line up, you're gonna flap the flap up like that and make sure it's straight out with the strap and everything. Now everything is straight up, and then you're going to clip right there on the top, and you're going to sew the straight line all the way down, and this side too all the way down. So that is that, everyone. Try your best though, because sometimes bandana design, one side, the red on the outer line is sometimes it's bigger than the other side, and you have to line them up. Try your best, but the very close I can do it is okay. If I keep trimming, I'm going to lose on the side of the fabric, and she said she didn't care. She wanted the length of the fabric, of the bandana that she give it to me. So I'm not gonna trim anything. I try my best to do. Just want to make sure everything line up like that. That's the best I can do. You can check in my description box. I make the bed like this with the fabric before. And it have the one in the center with it very deep, and then the two on the sides. So like that one side, I can put the phone in there. I don't know if the senior carry the phone, but that's what she asked, the two flap. And then this side, I just put the paper in there just in case that she want to put like some paper, how they carries a lot of stuff. And then if I don't have the wallet, I just put that notebook in there. You can basically put everything in there. I don't know. I'm not even there yet, so I don't know what the senior carry. And if you want to, you can add right in the center. But I think this is a good size though. Um, if you want to right in the center, you can sew the button right there or the Velcro. And that is that, everyone. I hope that you like this. I try my best I can do. Okay. So this is a good length. Um, Good enough to carry little things on a walk or even put on her walker or whatever senior use or she use. That's all I can do. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like the video, share with others, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you for the people that support to my channel membership and also donate to my channel and always come to check on my video and stay to the end. Also, I just want to let you know that sometimes I upload the video, I'm not even home or near my computer. So if you asking me like what side of the fabric I use or what kind of interfacing, I have to get back and answer that. Or sometimes you ask me with the old video. In the meantime, you can check back the video because the measurement and every information always show on the screen.